Is your class or team collaborating on a digital project on the Omeka.net publishing platform, such as a digital exhibit, a digital map, or digital archive? This tutorial will demonstrate how you can join and gain access to that class or team project site. Before you can join an Omeka.net site that is managed by someone else, you need to first have your own Omeka.net account. This can be the free version, which is referred to on Omeka.net as the trial version. If you do not already have your own Omeka.net account, go create that account and then come back to this tutorial. If you are not sure how to do that, visit the Pollock Library's Omeka instruction guide, and under the Using Omeka.net menu item, look for the Getting Started with Omeka tab. This brings up a guide page that walks you through illustrated instructions to set up your free Omeka.net account. If your class has its own instruction guide, such as this one here for History 402A, you can also find those same instructions on your course guide. You will need to register for and activate your Omeka.net account. Once you have an active Omeka.net account, notify your professor or project team leader, the person who administers the site, and provide them with the email address that is associated with your Omeka.net account so that they can send you an invitation to join the team project site. After your team site administrator adds your email address to the project site, you will receive a system-generated email from Omeka.net that invites you to join the project site. This email contains a link that you need to click. Clicking on that link takes you to the Omeka.net website. There is a glitch that happens sometimes with this step. You might encounter the message we see here: invalid invite code. Don't worry. As mentioned, this seems to be a frequent glitch. This situation has an easy fix. Look for the My Account link located in the top right corner of the Omeka.net website and then click on it. This will bring up the Omeka.net login screen. Log in with the credentials you set up when you created your Omeka.net account. If you have trouble logging in, use the Lost Your Password link to recover and reset your account credentials. After successfully logging in, you will get directed to your Omeka.net account dashboard. Look at the bottom section of this web page under the heading Others Sites. You should see your class or team project Omeka site with a description of your assigned role on that site. In this case, our student is a content contributor to the class site. If you are ready to start exploring the class site and to add your content, click on the Manage Site link located underneath the class or team site name. If you don't see your class or project site here on your Omeka.net account dashboard, double-check the email address you are using for your account. You can do that here using the Account Information link in the Account Dashboard menu. Then contact your professor or project site administrator to verify that they use the same email address to invite you to the class or project site. If they had the wrong email, they can send you a new invitation using the email address associated with your Omeka.net account. To learn how to work within your class or team Omeka.net site and start adding content, visit the Pollock Library's Omeka instructional guide or the guide created specifically for your CSUF class. Please feel free to email me if you have questions, or if you are a CSUF professor or student who would like to learn more about using Omeka.